Can you believe this? At just 15, Ben Pasternak launched a mobile game with millions of downloads, dominating the App Store. He received internship offers from Google and Facebook, and then he turned them all down to become the master of his own journey. So how could a regular kid achieve such an extraordinary result? First, he knew how to turn his talent into a concrete product. And second, his unique and inspiring personal story became the most powerful PR tool that helped his product go viral worldwide. The takeaway is clear. Talent alone is not enough. It was his smart promotion strategy that created the breakthrough. So how can you help your child gain that same advantage? What's the secret to helping them stand out from the crowd? All of these secrets will be revealed in the free and exclusive online workshop organized by TechTrain, taking place on September 27th. Seats are limited, so be sure to register quickly to save your spot today.